Today we're here at 119 Fred Jackman Avenue in Bowmanville on this beautiful Canadian autumn day.
This wonderful neighborhood is less than 10 minutes away from Walmart, Home Depot, and tons of other shopping.
So let's go check out the inside. So here as we enter the house, the home feel is evident with the shoes and the closet space and the mirrors and this just super high ceilings. Now, when you come in and you have the laundry room right here to the left side, very convenient for the main floor, and this main floor just expands throughout the house. The white kitchen with the white quartz countertops, the stainless steel appliances, it just looks all very clean and crisp. And here you're going from the light and bright kitchen, and it flows right into the dining space. The dining space with a large room. These 9-foot ceilings really do help the space, how large it is and how useful it all is. Dining room flows right into this fireplace. I don't know if you watched our last videos, but I've always pointed to the fireplace to be a nice, warm, and cozy space for the family to gather around. You can play the piano, you can set this up for a TV watching space. And then the natural light, this is a south facing lot. So the south facing, you have the sun throughout the whole day shining right into this nice, comfy, warm living space. So now you flows right from that living room, comfy family room, into this hallway where you have the washroom on the main floor and then the first bedroom. The first bedroom can be used as a comfy zone to hang out, as an office space, but then this hallway comes right around into the primary bedroom. Let me show you the primary bedroom. So you have the walk-in closet right on as you walk in, and then you have this vast open space as the primary bedroom looking south, so you always have that morning sun, evening sun, afternoon sun. Doesn't matter what time of day you want, you have the sun in this primary bedroom. But here is the primary bathroom. Here in the primary bathroom, we have this spacious tub and stand-up shower. And now we come down from the main level, and here is the entrance from the garage, and it enters right into the lower level. Right as you enter the lower level, you're greeted by this second kitchen and second laundry. Extra storage throughout this space, and large, light, and bright with these wonderful pot lights. Here on the lower level, you have a full 4-piece bathroom. You have bedroom number 3. You have bedroom number 4, and both of these bedrooms have walk-in closets. Now this lower level can be treated as its own separate apartment. It has 2 bedrooms, a full washroom, and its own separate kitchen. And now we have this extra living space. You can treat this as a living space, theater room, playroom, or office space if you like. And now you really have to admire how this lower level has large windows in every room. We just showed you a very unique home that doesn't show up very often. Whether you're the downsizer that's selling your other home that's too big for you to come to live on this main floor, but you still need that living space for your children or any of their kids, you can have that as well.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below.
If you would like a private showing of this home or of any other home, give the Boasting team a call. If you want to see a different video that we have done in the past, please click here.